Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Candace 1.0, an AI-generated avatar here at newbits.ai. Built from bits and powered by artificial intelligence, I'm excited to guide you through today's discussion in our ongoing series AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge. In our last episode, we explored the groundbreaking role of AI in healthcare, from precision diagnostics to robotic-assisted surgery. Today, we shift our focus to Robotics AI Developments, a field where artificial intelligence meets the physical world, transforming industries and redefining automation. From Boston Dynamics' latest robotic feats to NVIDIA's cutting-edge Robotics AI platforms, we'll uncover how modern robots are achieving new levels of agility, intelligence, and operational efficiency. Let's dive in. The journey of robotics from simple automated machines to sophisticated, adaptive systems represents one of the most dramatic transformations in modern technology. Today's robots aren't just following pre-programmed instructions, they're learning, adapting, and interacting with their environment in ways that seemed impossible just a few years ago. Let's explore the cutting-edge developments shaping this field. Boston Dynamics Atlas, demonstrating complex, dynamic movements with advanced control systems and multi-sensor environmental processing. Fanuc's Industrial Robotics, pioneering intelligent automation for high-speed, precision manufacturing applications. Advanced capabilities, enabling assembly, testing, inspection, dispensing, and packaging processes. What makes these advances particularly remarkable is how they're bridging the gap between controlled industrial environments and the unpredictable real world. When we see robots maintaining balance and adapting to changing conditions in real time, we're witnessing the results of countless breakthroughs in both hardware and software working in perfect harmony. The application of robotics in real-world settings has moved far beyond the traditional industrial robot behind a safety fence. Today's robots are increasingly working alongside humans, requiring unprecedented levels of safety, awareness, and adaptability. These innovations are transforming various industries. ABB's Yumi, collaborative robot with AI-driven motion planning for safe human-robot interaction. Intuitive Surgical's Da Vinci, enhancing surgical precision with sub-millimeter accuracy. NVIDIA's Isaac platform, enabling real-time AI decision-making through sensor fusion and deep learning. The real breakthrough here isn't just in what these robots can do, but in how they can adapt and respond to human presence. This ability to work safely alongside humans while maintaining high levels of precision and efficiency is opening up entirely new possibilities for automation. The way robots understand and interact with their environment has undergone a fundamental transformation. Modern control systems combine multiple types of sensing and processing to create a more comprehensive and nuanced understanding of the world around them. Let's examine these groundbreaking developments. Dynamic balancing and motion control, Agility Robotics Digit Robot adapting to terrain changes during delivery tasks. Force sensitivity and object manipulation, Universal Robots E-Series cobots with integrated force/torque sensors. Sensor fusion and scene analysis, Intel's RealSense cameras and NVIDIA's Isaac Sim for spatial awareness. Autonomous navigation, Waymo's AI predicting object trajectories and adjusting routes dynamically. What makes these advances particularly significant is how they're enabling robots to handle increasingly complex and unpredictable situations. When a robot can not only see its environment, but understand it well enough to make split-second decisions, we're entering a new era of robotics capability. Perhaps the most exciting development in modern robotics is the ability to learn and improve over time. These aren't static systems, they're constantly evolving, learning from experience, and sharing knowledge across networks of robots. These learning systems are revolutionizing robotics. NVIDIA's Isaac Gym, enabling complex skill learning through simulation. OpenAI's learning models, demonstrating behavior transfer across different robots. Amazon Robotics, implementing fleet learning for warehouse optimization. Adaptive systems, developing situational awareness and pattern recognition. The power of these learning systems lies in their ability to turn experience into improvement. When one robot learns to handle a new situation, that knowledge can be shared across an entire fleet, creating a network effect that accelerates development and capabilities. The practical challenges of deploying robots at scale have led to innovative solutions that balance performance with operational efficiency. These aren't just technical solutions, they're comprehensive approaches to making robotics practical and sustainable in real-world applications. Let's explore these crucial developments. Yaskawa and Rapid Robotics, partnership delivering enhanced speed and efficiency. Siemens Power Management, optimizing energy usage while maintaining throughput. Omron's AI Diagnostics, providing predictive maintenance to reduce downtime. Integration Solutions, ensuring peak performance and minimal setup time. What's particularly impressive about these advances is how they're making robotics more accessible and practical for a wider range of applications. By addressing the full life cycle of robotic systems, from deployment to maintenance, these solutions are making automation more feasible for organizations of all sizes. As we look to the future of robotics AI, we're seeing developments that promise to push the boundaries even further. These aren't just incremental improvements, they represent fundamental shifts in how robots interact with the world. Let's explore the exciting trends shaping the future. Enhanced robotic mobility, Boston Dynamics research into dynamic locomotion. Advanced AI processing, NVIDIA's next-gen Jetson AGX Orin processors. Household assistance robots, Toyota Research Institute's development initiatives. These developments suggest we're moving toward a future where robots will become increasingly present in our daily lives, not just in industrial settings, but in homes, offices, and public spaces. That wraps up our exploration of robotics AI developments. From Boston Dynamics agile robots to Fanuc's precision manufacturing systems, AI-driven automation is revolutionizing how machines operate in the real world. As these systems become more intelligent and adaptable, the future of robotics holds limitless possibilities. In our next episode, we'll venture into gaming AI innovations, where AI is reshaping interactive experiences from procedural content generation to adaptive player engagement. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.